I went to the library again and I got another book out. This one, it's called Inbetween by Marina Abramovic. Anyway, so it slips out of this slip cover thing. It's fancy, isn't it? I like that. And it says the in-between is the space where she finds herself when she's left somewhere and before she goes somewhere else. Such as in airports, waiting rooms, bus stations, tram stations, coffee shops, shopping malls. Why? I don't understand. What are these shopping malls? Lobbies, hotel rooms, restaurants, swimming pools and gyms. You know, places where she is in between needing to be somewhere else, I guess, or on her way to somewhere else. So it starts off with an airport ticket. She had a vegan meal. I guess that's interesting. Think, oh, why is she having a vegan meal? Is she a vegan? Is she not? Who knows? And then it's like doodles that she's made. I guess while she was on public transport. Just doodles. What is this? A whole page devoted to a line. Brilliant, eh? Little doodles. And then she's on an aeroplane again. Vegan meal again. Noticed. Yep. Little doodles again. On 20th of February she wrote, "Is there anything?" Which is, you know, one of the big questions, I guess. More doodles. And then she's on an airplane again, and she has a lactose intolerant vegetarian meal. So maybe she's not a vegan after all. Maybe she's just got loads of dietary requirements. Little doodles, some numbers. I don't know, maybe she needed to remember some numbers. More doodles. Just some random words. No idea. Just I don't know what it means. That's all. Just some more doodles. Lactose intolerant vegetarian meal again, on another flight. She was on a lot of flights, this person. And she's drawn this picture here. It's of 6 people standing around a table massaging this one person lying in the middle. Maybe that happened to her, maybe not. But on the next page it says pain, and there's this picture of a person with red all over them. So, you know, I think these are hands. Don't know. So it's basically doodles, lactose intolerant vegetarian meal again. Doodles, maps, little things. Doodles. Yeah, that's basically it. And these photographs. Yeah, that's her train station. It's on a train. That's her walking, and then she's at a place. She's not in between anymore. She's at a place there. Already got there. She doesn't explain anything in this book. I was thinking about how much effort this book was to make. Cause you got like a whole book. You know, each page. Even I mentioned that page with just a line on it. You know, you've devoted a whole page to that, and it's a colour photos and stuff, and got a cover. You got this. Some of these pages are like white, and then that back here, some of the pages are sort of darker, and you've got a slip cover. So it's a lot of effort, I imagine, went into producing this book. And I don't know. I was wondering how well it sells, because it's basically a bunch of doodles without any explanations or writing. I imagine that if I wrote such a book as that, just, you know, some doodles and a page devoted to just a line and stuff, it wouldn't sell very well. not even to, I don't even know why our university bought it, to be honest, because without any writing, it's not like I could use it very efficiently. I'd have to go on the internet and find out more, I guess, about her as a person and stuff, because the book doesn't mention such things. Yeah, I was just thinking if I wrote such a book it probably wouldn't sell very well. It's a lot of effort, isn't it? I don't know. Yeah. Woo. Slip cover. Woo. Slidey, 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 slidey. I don't know. It's just a book. It's like her trip. It's supposed to be around Japan, but on the train, on the airplane tickets, none of them said Japan. One of them said Amsterdam. One of them said Frankfurt. None of them were in Japan. But all of the pictures and doodles, they are from Japan. So I don't know. There's also these pictures of knives in the book, and there's no explanation. It just says blue period. And there's knives, and then on the page before it says red period, and there's knives.